Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how I use the Sunescape Instant Self-Tanning Mousse. I'm going to be using the Sunescape tanning mitt to apply it so I don't get any of those yucky orange hands while I'm applying the product. I'm just going to start by applying it to my chest and arm areas using like up and down circular motions, making sure I don't miss my armpits or any little cheeky backs of the arms or anything. You want to make sure everything's all blended nicely together. Another little tip that I have is to apply moisturizer to your hands, elbows, knees and feet just to ensure you don't get any little streaks or dry patches. I feel like these areas are the most prone to that. I just like to use no extra product on my mitts, just whatever's left over, and I like to blend that into my hands and feet. And then for my face, I just like to dot the tan all over my face with the mitt, and then I use an old makeup blending brush just to blend that all over my face. I feel like this works the best for me and it's super easy. Then I'm just going to wait 4 hours until I have a shower, and this is the end result. So I've just showered and moisturized, and this is what I'm looking like, nice and bronzed. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much. Bye.